Are you constantly feeling tired or struggling with memory problems? It could be a sign that you're not getting enough vitamin B12. This essential nutrient is crucial for energy production, brain function, and overall health, and a deficiency can cause a range of unwanted symptoms. In fact, estimates suggest that as many as 15% of people may be affected by a vitamin B12 deficiency. Keep watching to learn about the 8 common signs of a deficiency and what you can do to increase your levels. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a key role in several bodily functions. It is a water-soluble vitamin that is found in a variety of foods, including meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. It can also be taken as a supplement or other methods we will show next. So, why is vitamin B12 important? Here are a few key functions of vitamin B12. 1. Production of red blood cells. Vitamin B12 helps to produce red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. Without enough vitamin B12, the production of red blood cells is impaired, leading to a condition called anemia. Anemia can cause several of the signs we will share next. 2. Maintenance of a healthy nervous system. Vitamin B12 plays a crucial role in the functioning of the nervous system. It helps to produce myelin, a protective sheath that covers nerve cells and helps them transmit signals effectively. Without enough vitamin B12, myelin production is impaired, leading to symptoms such as memory loss, difficulty concentrating, and even depression. 3. Synthesis of DNA. Vitamin B12 is involved in the synthesis of DNA, the genetic material that carries the instructions for the development and function of all living organisms. 4. Metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Vitamin B12 plays a role in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in the body. It helps to convert the food we eat into energy that can be used by the body. Now that you know about the important role that vitamin B12 plays in the body, let's take a look at the top 8 warning signs that you may be deficient in this essential nutrient. 1. Fatigue and weakness. One of the most common and perhaps the most obvious signs of a vitamin B12 deficiency is fatigue and weakness. If you're feeling excessively tired or weak, it may be worth checking your vitamin B12 levels. But why does a vitamin B12 deficiency cause fatigue and weakness? As mentioned earlier, vitamin B12 helps to produce red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. When there isn't enough vitamin B12, the production of red blood cells is impaired, leading to a condition called anemia. Anemia can cause fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath, as the body's tissues aren't getting enough oxygen. A study published in the Journal of Family Medicine and Primary Care found that vitamin B12 deficiency was a common cause of fatigue in older adults. The study involved over 500 participants and found that those with a deficiency in vitamin B12 had significantly higher levels of fatigue compared to those with normal vitamin B12 levels. 2. Mood changes and difficulty thinking. Another common sign of a vitamin B12 deficiency is mood changes and difficulty thinking. A study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that vitamin B12 deficiency was associated with an increased risk of developing depression. The study involved over 3,000 participants and found that those with a deficiency in vitamin B12 were more likely to develop depression compared to those with normal vitamin B12 levels. But why does a vitamin B12 deficiency cause mood changes and difficulty thinking? As we already know, vitamin B12 plays an essential role in the functioning of the nervous system, while it helps to produce myelin. Without enough vitamin B12, myelin production is impaired, leading to symptoms such as memory loss, difficulty concentrating, and even depression. So if you're experiencing mood changes or difficulty thinking, it's important to consider whether a vitamin B12 deficiency could be the cause. 3. Another symptom to be aware of is mouth and tongue issues, such as soreness, redness, and swelling. If you're experiencing issues with your mouth or tongue, it may be worth checking your vitamin B12 levels. But why does a vitamin B12 deficiency cause mouth and tongue issues? Vitamin B12 is involved in the production of the protective lining of the mouth and tongue, so a deficiency can lead to issues with these tissues. A deficiency can also increase the risk of mouth infections and difficulty swallowing. 4. Pale or yellow skin. If you've noticed that your skin has become pale or yellow, it may be because you are deficient in vitamin B12. This unusual skin color can definitely be a sign of a vitamin B12 deficiency. Anemia, which is related to vitamin B12 deficiency, can cause the skin to appear pale or yellow, as there aren't enough red blood cells to give the skin its normal color. 5. Also, if you're experiencing shortness of breath, it may be worth getting your vitamin B12 levels checked. In this case, it's also related to anemia, which can cause shortness of breath, as the body's tissues aren't getting enough oxygen. 6. Are you experiencing heart palpitations? Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in the functioning of the heart. Remember we said it can cause anemia? So, anemia can also cause changes in the way the heart muscle functions, leading to abnormal heart rhythms and heart palpitations. If you're experiencing heart palpitations, it's worth getting your vitamin B12 levels checked to see if a deficiency could be the cause. 7. Are you dealing with digestive issues like diarrhea or constipation? This essential nutrient plays a role in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, helping to convert the food we eat into energy that can be used by the body. When there isn't enough vitamin B12, the digestive system can be affected, leading to uncomfortable symptoms like diarrhea or constipation. 8. Do you feel numbness or tingling in your hands and feet? A study published in the Journal of Neurology, Neurosurgery, and Psychiatry found that vitamin B12 deficiency was a common cause of neuropathy, a condition that causes numbness and tingling in the hands and feet. The study involved over 200 participants and found that those with a deficiency in vitamin B12 were more likely to develop neuropathy compared to those with normal vitamin B12 levels. When there isn't enough vitamin B12, myelin production is impaired, which can also lead to symptoms such as numbness or tingling in the hands and feet. Numbness or tingling in the hands and feet can be caused by a variety of factors, including nerve damage, inflammation, or pressure on the nerves. However, if you're experiencing these symptoms and you haven't been able to identify another cause, it's worth considering whether a vitamin B12 deficiency could be the underlying issue. Now, are you looking to increase your vitamin B12 levels? Here are 5 ways to do so. 1. Take a vitamin B12 supplement. Vitamin B12 supplements are available in various forms, including tablets, capsules, and sublingual, under the tongue, tablets. The therapeutic recommended dose of vitamin B12 can vary depending on your age and specific needs, so it's important to speak with a healthcare professional to determine the right dose for you. 2. Eat foods rich in vitamin B12. Some good sources of vitamin B12 include animal products, such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Vegetarians and vegans may need to include fortified foods, such as fortified plant-based milks, breakfast cereals, and nutritional yeast, or supplements in their diet to get enough vitamin B12. 3. Get a vitamin B12 injection. Vitamin B12 injections can be given by a healthcare professional and can be an effective way to increase vitamin B12 levels in those with a deficiency. 4. Try a nasal spray. Vitamin B12 nasal sprays are available over the counter and can be an alternative for those who have difficulty swallowing pills. 5. Consider a patch. Vitamin B12 patches are available over the counter and can be applied to the skin to deliver the nutrient directly into the bloodstream. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed learning about the signs of vitamin B12 deficiency and how to increase your levels. If you're looking for more health and wellness tips, be sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more informative videos. And if you're interested in learning more about the importance of vitamins and minerals, we highly recommend checking out this video. Thanks again for watching and have a great day!